problem is term structure solving in DeFi, and why is it fixed rate lending important for users?
Okay, so the term structure is trying to solve the problem of leveraging efficiency. So we're trying to build like a better efficiency for the borrowers, so that the borrowers will be able to get like a faster and then they get the fixed cost, and so that they can have a certainty, they know how much they pay, so that they won't get uncertainty about like a knocking out of a like a borrowing position, right? So this is what we're trying to solve, and to give like the fixed rate leverage, so people can have a like a peaceful mind when they're sleeping. They don't need to worry about the position being knocked out, right? So, and then of course on the flip side, then the lender will be able to have the fixed rate return, right? Just like what we have TradFi in the fixed income market, right? So where people can borrow fixed rate and lend fixed rate for long term, right? So this is what we are trying to solve.
What makes term structure different from other DeFi platforms offering lending and borrowing services?
Okay, so basically this you can see this from two angles. The one angle is like the end user, the retail users. They are so kind of like we call it like market taker, right? Because they take the price from the market maker. So this is basically we provide the fixed rate, where of course like we can see in DeFi market there's already some fixed rate protocol, but there is not many fixed rate borrowing protocol, right? So we trying to see to build something to match the both of them. Right? I think I will say borrowers in DeFi markets, they are more like eager to get their like a position trade down, right? So this is why we are building this for borrower, right? And then on the other side, I mentioned about the market maker, right? So we use like Uniswap V3 AM model, the math model, to build another model, similar one for the fixed income and for fixed rate borrowing and lending. And what we do differently is that our market maker can be a lending only market maker or borrower only market maker, or they can do the two-way markets, right? So that gives the market maker a choice to do what they want. This is going to be the tool for them to use, right? So just like think of that, you are in Uniswap market, right? You come in, you don't just provide liquidity, not like a general LP. You can design your own slippage. You can design, you just want to buy or sell on the Uniswap, being the liquidity provider. So this is something that we don't see anything similar in market.
How do you see the future of fixed income products in DeFi? Will they become as popular as variable rate lending?
Okay, so right now, if you look at I would say, think of this way. If you think like tomorrow when you wake up, the U.S. Treasury fixed rate bond market disappear, what will happen, right? So this is something that you wouldn't be able to imagine today, right? Because we don't have this in DeFi. But once we have it, and then we just take it away, then I think the financial system will like become like a big problem, right? So we'll see a big problem. It will be like unstable. Just nobody can do the like asset liability management. You cannot hedge your balance sheet, right? So all those problems coming up, right? So that's why I think the fixed rate right now, the people they don't see it, but it is something necessary. That's why in TradFi that we have like over $1 trillion of fixed income markets, right? So it's like when you wake up right in the morning, you can see that all the financial markets talking about equity markets, bond market, foreign exchange market is like equally important.
What's your long-term vision for term structure, and how do you see it changing the way people invest in DeFi?
All right. So long-term features, like you can think of like what is the application of a fixed rate in TradFi, right? People use the yield curve, the fixed rate, to generate the yield, to use this as a benchmark to price structured products, to use that to hedge their like derivatives, and this can also be these because this is like a financing, like I think the fundamental of like a financing instrument. So you can use that as a RWA like a financing, right? Just like what we do, we can have like a mortgage, we can have a car loan, we can have a housing like commodity leverage. So everything you need to do it in TradFi on the fixed rate leverage, we can do it in DeFi. And then after everybody is coming up with this like so-called like tokenization of all different assets, then this asset when they go on chain, what do they need? They need financing again, right? So this is something that we wanted to create like a infrastructure, the platform for people to do like easy leverage and financing activities.